Welcome back to Cakeologi. You know who this is, B.O.B., nothing but the best of the best. If you guys are interested in money, business, and credit, you are in the right place, okay? So for today's video, I want to talk about the luxury watch game and how we could use business credit to help us buy and sell these luxury watches. Let's get it, baby. All right. As you guys very well know, this is the science of success. I'm your host, B.O.B., none but the best of the best. And we talk about money, business, and credit, okay? So a big thing right now is luxury watches. I mean, we got the Rolexes, we got the APs, we got, the Patek Philippe's, we got the Richard Mille, in addition to all the other brands that we've got out here, right? It's become a huge market. I know a lot of people are interested in it. A lot of people are investing in timepieces as a hedge to inflation. As we very well know here, that is that money transfer, that wealth transfer that is happening right now. The Fed, they're printing money like crazy, okay? We got trillions and trillions of dollars that have entered the market. More than 40% of all the money that's ever been printed was printed in 2020, okay, ladies and gentlemen? And that doesn't seem like it's gonna slow down anytime soon. There's more money being printed. There's infrastructure bills coming out. There's other stimulus that's possibly coming out that's gonna print other trillions of dollars, okay? So as a hedge on this inflation and on this money printing, what's happening is that investors are investing in assets, okay? One of these assets happens to be luxury timepieces. As you guys very well know, those, if you're in the market for that, the prices have been skyrocketing, okay? I mean, we're talking about 300-400% off of retail. Many of these watches, you can't even buy it at retail, okay? And even the ones that were not so desirable are becoming more and more desirable and selling at a higher aftermarket than even retail. Okay, so how can we use business credit to help us trade watches and other assets? The number one thing that business credit does is it gives us options. Okay, now remember, if you guys want to sign up for my free 15-minute consultation, the link is in the description below. I will help you guys build your business credit one-on-one, and you guys can become members of our VIP Business Credit Builder membership. Now, business credit provides us options, all right? That's the most important thing. We want to leave that personal credit as untouched as possible. We want to leave that debt to income ratio low on the personal credit. We want to use strategic and innovative ways of building business credit. Now, what are those ways? Well, number one, as you guys very well know, net 30 vendor accounts. Now, the way that I always explain it is, you got the same pair of jeans on, okay? You got a pair of jeans, they got 4 pockets, all right? With business credit, that's 1 pocket. Personal credit, that's another pocket. You got 2 other pockets, investments, whatever. All you're doing is moving the money around from pocket to pocket, okay? It's still your jeans, dude. You're not, the emperor has clothes. That's what we're trying to accomplish here, all right? Is we're trying to have options so that we can leave that personal debt to income at a lower rate, okay? So we can get that house, we can get that car, we can use that personal credit to seed the business credit, okay? Now, as you guys very well know, business credit is built by net 30 vendor accounts. Do not sleep on these net 30 vendor accounts. I've got 2 of the fastest reporting net 30 vendor accounts. They're in the link in the description below, okay? They report like clockwork. If you guys want good limits, even if you have a new business, check them out. They're hot, baby, okay? So when we have net 30 vendor accounts, that means we have options, all right? So what did I mean by the pocket thing? Well, say, for example, you have a business and you need to get office supplies, okay? Well, you could take it out of your left pocket, which is your cash pocket, or you could take it out of your right pocket, which is your business credit pocket, okay? Hey, you still got the same pair of jeans on, but the cash pocket still got the cash in it. You're not using that money. Okay, so you could use net 30 vendor accounts to get office supplies, to get computers, to get lines of credit, even without a personal guarantee, if you've built your scores up right. Okay, now remember, if you guys want to learn how to build business credit the right way and even possibly partner with us to sell our business credit consulting services, make sure you guys check me out in the link in the description below. It's free and it's 15 minutes with yours truly, B.O.B. baby, none but the best. All right, once we have these net 30 vendor accounts and they've reported to our business credit, they're going to generate a score. Not all net 30 vendor accounts are created equal. All right, there are different ones that report to different bureaus. All right, so once we have these scores built up, then we can go to companies like Divvy. That link is also in the description below. You know I got the partnerships, baby. You know what I mean? You know you got the partnerships. So what does Divvy do? Well, Divvy gives us a line of credit without a personal guarantee for at least 30 days. So it's like an Amex charge card, okay? Well, a lot of you guys in the watch game, you want to flip these watches quickly. You might want to make $500, you might want to make $1,000 really quick on a watch, okay? Well, this can be an option, all right? This can be an option for you guys to be able to purchase watches, okay? You know, not necessarily using one line of credit or the other, but having the options, having that pocket free on the left to be able to purchase the watches in cash because you've got the business credit pocket on the right that's paying for the business expenses. And it's freeing up that cash to be able to buy the watches and flip them, okay? All right, now, in addition, Divvy, for example, gives you a MasterCard. It gives you a business credit card and a business line of credit, all right? So you could charge that watch, okay, and pay it back 0 interest within 30 days. Once you do that, that's all profit, okay? In addition, we've got a ton of other companies out there, a ton of other options, a ton of other hacks and tricks that we use. You know what I love? I love 0% interest business credit cards. I love going to banks and getting $40,000, $50,000 in a line of credit at low interest, okay? And getting that business credit card to go with it. Okay, so these are all options. These are all tricks that you guys can use to build your watch trading game up, all right? And to be able to increase your inventory or at least not use all of your own money when you're doing the trades and you're selling watches, okay? So once again, make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe, check out the links in the description below. I got ink file down there. If you haven't started a business, you can start it for free.